Okay, okay. So I just wanted to give a quick update because this is sweet. Check out what the 3DS did from, sorry, the 3D6 did from Ultimate Robotics. I mean, this is probably already there, but it just looks super cool. So I have the uMyo band, and this is just with three on. Of course, I'm putting this on my forearm, and I should probably have the fourth one running. This code works super well. Um, I, of course, always do things the hard way and the stupid way. So yeah, so we have we have the signal being read. I just think that's awesome. So I'm gonna close this and run this again. Cool. So it's definitely capturing three of them. Um, I think I might have done something wrong too. So I was just super excited that uh, the 3D6 helped me with this. Of course, he wrote all the code. I didn't modify it. I was just kind of trying to do it the silly way. But it's just neat to see the data live on the screen. So this is uMyo, four of them right now. Um, I am just playing around with them and their configurations. So there's lots to do um, for the machine learning. I'm mostly having to look at a lot of data capture pre-processing before I put it in and start the machine learning process. But it's just always super cool to see the data on the screen. And I probably did something wrong with that one. Let me turn this one off. Okay, cool. So let's turn this one off. Awesome. And I'm gonna leave these two on and start this again. Cool. So that's just one. I think this one will turn off. Yeah, so the older one here that I have is the one that probably isn't picking up. I wonder if it works slightly differently. Maybe I need to update the code to it possibly. I'm not sure. Oh no. This is just a normal one. I thought I was left with the oddball out, but it wasn't. Whoops. Cool. So I was just super excited and I had to stream real quick. Okay, there we go. Yeah, for some reason one of them I messed up probably for sure. But we'll get that working. Turn it off. Mostly what I need to do right now is to um like I said, pre-process the data. It's kind of interesting because I think there's a lot of the data that I'm looking for. Oh, that's super neat. A lot of the data that I'm looking for probably will be in the accelerometer, just from the pressure sensors, but I'm going to be training a new model just with labels. So I have to just play around with this until I get everything. Hey, how's it going, Joe? Yeah, it's all thanks to the 3D6. So um, I kind of fumble my way around this stuff, it seems, most of the time. So I'm just thankful for his help. That's why this community is so amazing, um, because people are willing to help, which I definitely need help some of the time. Yeah, this is super cool. And let's turn on another one. And let's see if the program automatically recognizes that there's more than one. So let's go ahead and it's doing that and sees the battery. Oh, that's even cooler. So I won't be using the graphics of this. I will probably mostly be using the just the data output from it. It is kind of cool, the compasses and everything. Oh, okay, okay. So the uMyo has no attribute. Looks like one of them. I'll check that out later. Of course, as it glitches. Anytime I try to do stuff, something always glitches. So let's go ahead and run it again. So this is the uMyo testing. The 3D6 told me to run this. Yeah, so you guys can see all of the data. So getting pretty close. This is awesome. I might be up all night tonight. We shall see. But that's cool how much data it has. Not just does it have the EMG signal, but it has the compass and the accelerometer or the gyroscope, right? Yeah, it's super exciting. So I wonder what placement will look like. But these signals look a lot like um, what we're going to need. So we have to juxtapose them with this, of course. This is cool, cool, cool. So uMyo testing. Nice. So now I just need to plot in some of the data and get it so that way I can record for long periods of time and it will go to a CSV document. And sorry, my nose is itching today. But yeah, just super excited. And of course, these aren't placed anywhere in particular right now. But yeah, so just a short stream. I just wanted to show some of the progress, um, and this is just cool to watch. So that will be it. But Joe, if you're gonna run a Python program, you want to use the command line prompt. But you kind of right click and open with IDE. I'm on Windows 11, so I have to hit show more. And this will open up in a window and then you can run it from here. But you really want to open it up in command prompt. So go to change directory to the actual location, so documents, wherever that's at, and then you would actually run it. But in order to install Python packages, Python tech m pip install, and let's do OpenAI. I don't know if I have that one installed. No, I don't have OpenAI installed yet. So there we go. We use pip, but I'll make a separate video on this. I was just excited. Super duper excited. Seeing all the cool stuff. Very, very neat. But that's enough playing around for one day. I'm going to get back to work and see if I can get the data output into CSV, which I think I need to read more of the documentation and what the 3D6 actually said. I was just going through line by line and so excited I had to start a stream. So please forgive me for ending so soon, but you'll hear back from me as soon as I have an update. Let's see if we can make a positive